So after you have taught your child the lessons from A to Z, and they've learned the lessons in the short vowel word families, and you've begun teaching them the consonant digraphs and the vowel diphthongs and all their word families, now you can start to teach them the drills in lesson 95. These drills are extremely helpful in teaching your child to notice changes in words. At first, your child will hate these drills, so you will want to reward them for their hard work. But the more your child goes through these drills, you will notice that they are getting better at reading and recognizing word changes, which will help them to read with more fluency when reading books. These drills are invaluable. I can't say enough about these drills. You will want to go through a drill a day so that your child's reading skills continue to grow. Okay, go ahead and... Okay.
Cat, 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 oh, cat, 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 cat,
Cat. Right, good job, Natalie. Okay, now this one. Thank you so much for visiting us, and feel free to subscribe or to click the links to learn step-by-step instructions on how to teach a 1 to 3-year-old how to read and spell.